Tait Communications, we're focused at providing networks and network devices in order to support what we call public safety. So rescue teams, and actually if we look here in New Zealand, we're in the throes of establishing the public safety network, and that will cover the fire, police and a number of government agencies throughout New Zealand. So there were a number of issues we're experiencing, not least of which we were coming to the end of life of a number of our systems. We were looking to try and rationalize and simplify our systems in order that we could become more agile. So in terms of engaging with Lagon, when I joined the project, and we were somewhere between the design and requirements exercise in terms of confirming those components and actually carrying out some build activities. So for me, Lagon were implementing the methodology which comes with SAP and being very kind of strict and disciplined about how we do that. We had set an extremely challenging timeline for delivery, and Lagon were helping us actually move through that as quickly as we could be.
From a Tait perspective, context-wise, it was an implementation across 17 entities in 13 countries, so truly a multinational organization. Functionality-wise, it was finance, supply chain, manufacturing, sourcing, procurement, warehouse management, budgeting and planning as well. Solution stack-wise, public cloud. It was at that time 15.11 sort of version they were on, and they moved on to 22.02 version. They also then had SAC, Analytics Cloud, BTP, for integration especially, quite a few extensions done on ABAP from a solution perspective. And then they also had Avalara for the tax engine and SAC for budgeting and planning.
Candidly, it is at the heart of Tait. And what we're looking to do is to supplement that core offering through sales, client engagement, client portals, e-commerce downstream. So the executive team at this moment in time are working through an exercise about how we could potentially further develop those tools and deliver more benefits to ourselves and our clients. The systems we have provide us an opportunity to do different things, to be a lot more agile, to provide different capabilities, to integrate other tools, which candidly 18 months ago we weren't able to do.
Where Tait is right now, they need to stabilize the solution. So there's certain aspects of the solution that need to be sorted out. Nothing significant, but to a point it has to become a lot more efficient for them. The end-to-end experience has to be thought through because there's certain gaps in that. So there's some more strategic activities that need to be done, such as looking at their MES solution or looking at how it integrates end-to-end from an overall planning and budgeting perspective. And then also going into your sales cloud or service cloud to start working with customers with a lot more visibility throughout the organization.
So for me, I have found them to be a very good supplier in terms of helping us and supporting our people, and they know our people very, very well now. We found them to be very honest, very direct, very candid, and very professional in how they engage with us. And the quality of their intellectual thinking and their understanding of SAP and how it can help us downstream. So for me, they're already 2 or 3 years ahead in their thought processes and their thinking about how we collectively can add value to Tait. So for me, it is that duality of helping me, supporting our people, continuing with the change exercise, but then thinking future in terms of the horizons over the next 2 or 3 years, how we can improve things ultimately for ourselves and our customers.